Yes, greetings family. We're at Trinity Home Academy and I'm with my good sister Sonika Harrington, the Positivity Queen, and she says she feels very inspired right now. Tell me what you're inspired about.
Okay, I had to come make a moment to say thank you. This is my first time actually coming to visit Trinity Home Academy, but I'm just so impressed by this gentleman. All hats up to you for helping the children, for all you've done in this community, for the students, for even the teachers as well. I think that AfricaForTheAfricans.org is a positive, motivating business for us as African Americans to come home, to help contribute and make donations. I truly respect you, Bomani. Thank you for inviting me in this journey with you through Africa, for sharing your knowledge, for helping so many people come back home. I mean, I really appreciate you as a man, as a brother. And don't stop doing what you're doing, because you are really clearing the way and making a path for so many people to come through, for helping these children. I wish you nothing but many blessings.
Absolutely appreciate the energy, and I thank everyone who has actually come on these journeys from 2007 up until now, because we usually come like every year from that year, and then when we started doing the multiple years, like 2 trips, and we started coming twice in the last few years. But the main thing, family, is your support and your energy. We come in and thank you, family, and everyone. So your energy is a reflection of us leading you. But literally 12 years ago, or even closer to 10 years, nothing was right here. Wow. None of this existed, and it's through donations and through the children, getting their hustle on and selling certain things, and all the little different ways you can raise money. It has come together, and then as you can see, Black Dolls for Black Children. I started a revolutionary campaign that if I go anywhere and I see some white dolls, I'm gonna throw them away and I'm gonna come back with nothing but black dolls. So I did an exorcism one year where we took the white doll out of the orphanage. It was actually the same place here, but it was further down, and I literally ripped the body parts off and tell them we're destroying the disconnect and the destruction of our children, because when they see these little Barbie dolls and their little stringy little hair, and folks next they want to do a bunch of wild stuff, cut their hair off and throw a little long wig on and things like that, and it's really more psychological than we can imagine. And so we begin to push the energy, just red, black, green, and gold. The colors of Ghana, the colors of the revolution, the colors of us as a people that's beginning to do what we need to fix our problems and things like that. Yeah, they do have white people and other people come and donate also, so I would never say that it's just all us as black people. But what we've been trying to do is get more of our folks involved. Because every time you look on TV, they got a group of fake missionaries talking about they're doing this and they're doing that. And some of them are doing certain things, but I always say that, man, it's coming for all the evil stuff they be doing. And what you having is just, we come here, there's no strings attached. Only thing I ever want to see is progress. That's the only thing I tell people. And then my brothers and sisters want to do anything with me or connect with me, it's like, if we're going to do anything, like you say, you roll with the best, and that's what we want to do. You want to just roll to where you can focus and build together and strong. And I appreciate you coming in to join the really, fight and energy. So.
Listen, we need you. So if you're watching this, I want to tell you, please come on our next tour to Ghana. It's going to be in May. And if you haven't, check out the website, Africa for the Africans. If you can't make it, please donate to this man's business. It is really being to use. You know how I am. I'll be like, I ain't trying to be with people that's not trying to help. And he is really getting it in, putting in the work. So if you can't make it this year, do not hesitate to donate, because your money, your proceeds is being put to use, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. So come on down. Make sure you check out Bomani, AfricaForTheAfricans.org. I'm so grateful to be here. You should be here too.
Absolutely, family. We keep it strong.
We are one.